So I was able to completely automate the traffic lights, and it kind of just runs on its own. All you have to do is run the script, and you're good. Everything's all done. It is kind of just lazy work, sort of, but I was able to make it automatic, so I was able to do something at least. I know I didn't upload anything yesterday. I was originally going to upload something, but I kind of got too attached to a different type of work, somewhat similar to coding, but not school related, which this is mostly for school, I guess. And how this entire thing works is a simple set of code, like defining the variables of what LED goes to what port, and then you have to like import certain things like importing time, sleep, pause, just to make the script work. And then there's the whole loop thing, and this is completely all looped, like it's going on for 15 minutes basically. That's how I set it up as, but it basically works like a normal traffic light, but in a very fast way, if that makes sense. I'll show you. So as you may see here is the lights. They're right now, it should look how a normal traffic light work, except very fast. And this is running off to pitop.py. As you may notice, this is very short. I wanted to make sure that you're able to see it happen live in action, if that makes any sense. And all this is running through this little box here, which is the pitop4. I'll try to talk more about that later in another time, probably this week. And then I'm kind of connecting both of these together so I could see and type into code, because I don't have a keyboard, so might as well use the pitop3. Now we're gonna stop the code here, and there's two different sets of mouse. That's crazy. Okay, there we go. I have no idea what that was about, but how it works, as I said from before, you first got to import everything, like from pitop.pma, import LED and button, then from time, import sleep, import time itself. You have to get the pause from signal, I guess, and then you have to define the variables. In the last week, there was a button which was D8, I believe. It's no longer here. The reason for that is because I don't need a button to run this, other than a mouse and a keyboard just to run this. As you may see, it is pi.py. That's the file name I gave it. And if we scroll down here, we're gonna see that this is 60 seconds and then multiply it by 15, so it's 15 minutes. That's how long this is supposed to run. I kind of needed help, so I kind of took it offline and added the 15 minutes anyways, but you know, sometimes you got to use resources online just to learn. Otherwise, if you have no idea what you're doing, then yeah, just search stuff up, I guess. So this is all in a loop where S1G, which is street 1 green, red, yellow, and then street 2, which is green, red, and yellow. And it kind of just does all its things. The sleep over here is the delay for the next set of code to work. So let's say the entire thing decided to go like, okay, we're gonna do that, and that. Okay, we're gonna go to sleep for like 5 seconds, and then we're gonna continue. And then boom, we have to sleep for 1 second, continue off. Now, that's pretty much the entire thing. I'm gonna try to get it all in the description, in case if you have a pitop at home, or you have another way to test this code. This is all run on pitop. This is all Python coding, and I hope I explained everything I needed to. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.